Hi there, welcome back to Mindspine Tutorials. Our today's topic is important proteins and their occurrence, and in today's session we will be seeing two columns here. First column is for proteins and in second column we will be seeing the distribution, or we can say occurrence there. So let's get started. The first protein which we are with is actin. So actin's distribution is in muscles. Then we are with ostin, and ostin is present in bone. And you can learn this by, as we all know, that there is a disease known as osteoporosis, which is related to bones and bones density. So you can learn it with that technique. Then we are with chondrine. Chondrine's distribution is in cartilage. Hemoglobin is again a protein. Mind it here. Hemoglobin is a protein and its distribution is in red blood cells. Then flavoproteins is in mitochondria. Cytochrome is in mitochondria. Both are in mitochondria. Then fibroin is in silk. Gliadin is in wheat. Oryzinin is in rice. Okay, rice is very important here because oryzinin can be also extracted out or can be made through biotechnology also. So it was very important to note here. Then we are with phosphoprotein. Phosphoprotein's distribution is in milk and yolk, casein and vital C. Then lipoprotein, cell membrane. Then we are with nucleoprotein. Nucleoprotein's distribution is in ribosome, chromosomes, viruses. Then albumin, egg white, blood plasma, milk. Globulin, blood plasma, soybean milk. And one more thing which is important here is albumin is generally said to be found in egg whites only, but it is also present in blood plasmas and milk also. Okay. Then we are with globulin. Then glutathione. Glutathione is present in wheat and other cereals. Keratin is present in skin, hair, nail, feathers. Collagen, tendons, bone, white fibers. Collagen is also very important here to note. So tendons, bone, white fibers. Elastin, arteries, ligament, elastic tissues, yellow fibers. Then we are with histones. Histones are present in nucleic acids. Very important, again very important. Then we are with casein, milk and egg yolk, or we can only say yolk also. Then we are with glycoprotein. Glycoprotein is present in mucus. Some pituitary hormones such as follicular stimulating hormone, also known as FSH. Then we are with LH, luteinizing hormone. So we approximately saw all the important proteins and their distributions in today's session. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe the channel and like the video, share the video with all your near and dear ones. Thank you so much. Happy learning.